G'day, here's a parcel of knobby material from Lightning Ridge, rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted and yes, there's a couple of bits of clay amongst it, but I'll show you that in a minute. Just a bit off the screen up the top. Lots of fun in this deal. Hopefully you end up with some nice stones as well. I'll zoom in a bit so you get a bit closer look. Okay, I won't be able to get all the stones in the frame, but I haven't moved any. This is just a bit of a closer look, and I'm not going to go through every stone, I'm afraid. This clay material's opalized almost, so hard to keep tumbling and it'll just wear the opal away. So basically, yes, there's a few bits of that in there. There's another piece, opal inside, but like I say, to keep tumbling it, all we'd be doing is wearing the opal away. Sometimes when you open it you get a surprise, other times you open it you get nothing. Little knobbies forming there. Some of the other pieces, bit of crystal. Some smaller bits. Not every piece will have opal in it. Just being sold as a deal, like we do all the time. There's other pieces like this that don't appear to have much colour in it. And there you go. Turn it over and big sun flash in there. I didn't think there'd be anything in that bit. Other pieces like this, they warrant taking your time and looking, cutting down. I don't know if I showed you that piece, it's quite pretty. Probably carved the clay out of it perhaps. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.